Ladies, gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Nick the Entrepreneur. If you do not know me, my name is Nick and I run a few businesses. One is an Amazon business, one is a Shopify business, one is an eBay business. I have like 3 different businesses on Amazon. It's a toy company, it's a decal company, it's a sticker company. So today we're just gonna be doing customer orders. It's gonna be chill. In the videos that I do create, if you do not know me, I make videos every single day until I hit $30,000 a month or $1,000 a day consistently. And I go over the ups and downs in business, or just showing you the ups and downs in business and watching me fail, watching me win, watching me make a lot of money one day, watching me make no money the next. That's just how the game of business is. So if you're an aspiring entrepreneur and you want to see videos like that, just give me a like down below. It helps other people find these videos as well. Also, if you enjoy this video, by the end of the video, please subscribe down below. Like I said, I make a video every single day until I hit 30K a month. So yeah, anyways, today we're just gonna go over customer orders. We'll do some time lapses, we'll talk about it, and at the very end of the video, we'll go over yesterday's revenue. So enjoy. There's a whole lot of orders that I gotta get, so let me show you. Look at this. I know you guys just watched this in fast motion here, but let me zoom out here. Like, this is just part of it. Like some of these, like these are 3-packs over here. Like I have to fix this. This is a 3-pack. You have to go through some of these, but there's so many 3-packs. There's a lot of orders. This is gonna be a long day. So we're gonna run through it. Guys, so we are printing out the stickers right now. We're gonna get that going. We're gonna try to get these out as soon as possible because there are 50 orders, so, or more than 50, I think 65 orders because of eBay too. So we're gonna try to get those out, laminate these as quick as possible, run through here, and then go over yesterday's revenue. So let's get started. That sucks, look at that. I just broke that whole thing. I think the sheet might be done. I'm gonna tape it, but I already got tape right there. It's on its last legs. Oh, I don't wanna use the new mats. Orders are ready to get packed. I cannot show you the addresses, of course, but here are the stickers. It's a good amount, big chunk of stickers, a big chunk of envelopes. Let's get these out, let's get these done, and let's go over the revenue from yesterday. Isn't even all of them. I'm so blessed though. I mean, like, it's very cool. I'm very happy about this. Absolute mess, trying to get everything done. I do have a few more that I have to get out later, but I have these 2 decals I just did, as well as this well, I can't really show you, but a 24-inch skull. All this package is down there, and then the boatload of stickers down there. Actually so blessed and so thankful, and also with you guys supporting me and my channel. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for the feedback on the last video. Like letting me know what I need to fix. Like, I need to do an intro for sure. Like, I need to start doing that, but in the meantime, at least telling you guys what I do if you are new to the channel. So hopefully that did help you this morning, or like when I made the beginning of the video. But now that we are, like, I have a few more orders I have to get out, but I'm not gonna record those. It's gonna be the same thing. I don't wanna waste your time. So anyways, this is the end of the video. Now let's go over yesterday's revenue and the day before, because I didn't record on Sunday, and show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $27.27. I don't know why that covered it, but that's how much it was. $330.75 on Amazon, and $198, basically $199 on Shopify yesterday, at a total of $557 that we made yesterday in revenue. So we're at $2,076 on, in 4 days. So not bad, but we need to be doing $1,000 a day. So, we're about the halfway. We're about like a 15K a month if we stuck with this, but hopefully we can hit 30K this month. So if you are interested in seeing if I do, please subscribe down below. Like I've said in the video, trying to hit 30K. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so more people can find my content just like yourselves. And yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.